Hey guys, well, today is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. So today I'm at my grandparents' house. It's a really nice day, much warmer today than it was yesterday. A little windy though, so I thought that today I'll make the video on getting their lawnmower running for the first time this year. So this is their 2003 Husky lawnmower, 22-inch cut, front wheel drive, self-propelled. And the mower is made by MTD, and with the Husky brand, which it's sold at Tractor Supply. And it has the 5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton Quantum engine with the primer, of course. This is just way before they started with the Ready Start systems on them, which those are the automatic choke. And as usual, no gas, and I'll put some gas in it and let's see what this mower will do. Okay, so there is some gas in there. There's just not much. Apparently my grandparents are out of gas. So I think that should be enough to see if it will at least start. And we'll also start the edger as a bonus. Boy, it is just windy. Okay, so I'm going to just give it 3 primes as it says right there. Get you up on the tripod. Let's see what this thing does. Alright, that should be good. As usual, started on the first pull. Alright, so now for the edger. As you can see there, I put a brand new gas cap on it, and I just installed the new air filter because the old original one was just all rotted out. Okay, throttle is already set. Switch is on. Put it on choke. This thing was last running, let's see, about 2 weeks ago when I did that video on when I got this thing running. Okay. Alright, that should be good. Let's see how this thing starts. Oh yeah, that thing runs excellent. Alright, cool. Not too bad. 4 pulls. Gotta love your old Briggs & Stratton engines. That's for sure. Well, again, that's the first startup of my grandparents' lawnmower, and of course a little bonus startup of the old Edger, which is a 1971 trim-all with a 2 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. So cool. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching.